double bond in carbon dioxide CO2. So we will introduce the double bond formation in CO2. Carbon dioxide is made up from one carbon C atom and two oxygen O atoms. There they are, two oxygen atoms and one carbon atom. Based on the number of unpaired electrons in each atom, we will conclude where would the double bond be formed. Focus on the outermost shell in each atom. In oxygen, there are two pairs of electrons in the outermost shell and two single electrons that are not paired. As for carbon, it has four unpaired electrons in the outermost shell. We conclude that oxygen needs two electrons and the second oxygen also needs two, while carbon needs four. So sharing of electrons will occur as you see, and there are two pairs of electrons shared between carbon and each of the oxygen atoms. If you count the electrons in the outer shell of each atom, you will notice that oxygen has 8 electrons, including the shared pair of electrons. So 2 unshared pairs and 2 shared pairs of electrons. This makes 4 pairs and therefore 8 electrons, since every pair is made up from 2 electrons. As for carbon, it also has 8 electrons in the outermost shell with 4 pairs of shared electrons. And the oxygen atom to the right has also 8 electrons, just like the other oxygen atom. A double bond is formed between carbon and each of the oxygen atoms, and we represent the molecule as O, double bond C, double bond O. So the double parallel dashes represent a double covalent bond, and the dots around the oxygen atoms are the lone pairs that are not shared. This is double bond formation in carbon dioxide.